In the charming community of Des Allemands, Louisiana, homeowners understand the value of comfort, durability, and energy efficiency, especially in a climate known for its humidity and heat. Upgrading to energy-efficient double-pane windows is one of the most impactful ways to enhance a home's comfort and performance. Beyond their sleek look, these windows provide long-term savings and environmental benefits that every homeowner in Des Allemands can appreciate. What makes double-pane windows energy efficient? Double-pane windows, sometimes called dual-glazed windows, feature two layers of glass separated by an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton. This design creates a thermal barrier that significantly reduces the amount of heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. In Des Allemands, where warm weather dominates much of the year, this insulation helps keep interiors cool without overworking the air conditioning system. During the occasional chilly months, the same technology traps heat indoors, maintaining a cozy environment. The result? Lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor climate all year long. Lower energy costs and greater comfort. The primary reason homeowners in Des Allemands choose double-pane windows is their ability to cut energy consumption. According to energy efficiency experts, homes with double-pane windows can save up to 25% on heating and cooling costs compared to single-pane windows. With Louisiana's long summers, those savings add up fast. By minimizing heat exchange, double-pane windows also help maintain steady indoor temperatures. No more uncomfortable hot spots near windows or chilly drafts during cooler nights. The improved insulation creates a more balanced and comfortable living space. Superior noise reduction. Des Allemands may be a peaceful town, but outside noise, from traffic, lawn equipment, or nearby activities, can still disrupt the tranquility of your home. Double-pane windows act as an effective sound barrier, muffling outdoor noise and creating a quieter indoor environment. The dual layers of glass, combined with the insulating gas, absorb and block sound waves more efficiently than traditional single-pane windows. This benefit is especially valuable for homes located near main roads, schools, or commercial areas, giving residents the gift of peace and quiet. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are among the most attractive features for modern homebuyers. Installing double-pane windows not only improves performance but also boosts your property's market value. Potential buyers appreciate homes that offer lower utility bills, improved comfort, and environmentally conscious features. Beyond efficiency, today's double-pane windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, from vinyl and aluminum to wood-clad designs. Homeowners in Des Allemands can easily find options that complement their home's architectural character while enhancing curb appeal. Protection against condensation and UV damage. High humidity levels are common in southern Louisiana, and condensation buildup on single-pane windows is a familiar nuisance. Double-pane windows reduce this problem by maintaining a more stable internal glass temperature, which minimizes the likelihood of moisture forming inside. Additionally, many double-pane windows include low-E, low emissivity coatings, which reflect harmful ultraviolet rays. This helps protect interior furnishings, flooring, and artwork from fading, preserving the beauty and longevity of your home's interior. Environmental benefits and sustainability. Investing in double-pane windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet. By reducing energy consumption, these windows help lower your household's carbon footprint. When paired with other eco-friendly upgrades like energy-efficient HVAC systems and smart thermostats, double-pane windows can play a significant role in promoting sustainable living in Des Allemands. Conclusion: a smart investment for Des Allemands homes. For homeowners seeking to improve comfort, lower energy costs, and enhance their property's value, double-pane windows are a wise investment. Their advanced insulation, noise reduction, and UV protection make them ideal for Des Allemands' unique climate. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, upgrading to energy-efficient windows ensures a brighter, quieter, and more sustainable future for your family and your home.